single day. Are you the real deal?
I hope so.
Wow. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Hey, what do I do about this situation right here? What if I know the sheriff here committed a felony? Do I go to you guys to help enforce it? I mean, because they...
What now?
He committed a felony.
Attention everyone,
the sheriff
stop
did.
the lead training will be getting in Hall
Have you ever heard of
C
the
in 5 minutes.
Sunshine Law?
Stop the
Sunshine
lead
Law.
training, Hall C,
You ever heard of the
5
statute
minutes.
790.335?
No, with firearms?
Yes, you're not supposed to have a gun list.
Okay.
Okay, I found out, because I'm a reporter, that the sheriff here has a list of gun owners, and worse than that, he's illegally profiling them too.
List of individual gun owners?
Yep.
Like I'm from a concealed weapons permit list, or?
No, this one's from the pawn list. When you pawn a gun or sell a gun, which, as you know, 99% of the people are not a criminal, okay? And we literally have emails where he's literally talking about profiling them. So, I mean,
public records request.
Yeah. That's what I do as a reporter. So it's a under 790.335. It's a third-degree felony, $5 million fine. You're supposed to give the evidence to the state attorney. So I did. I gave it to Meyer Fox. She hates my guts because I'm a reporter, and I gave her the evidence with an affidavit notarized. She won't do her job. Well, actually, she did. She said she investigated, and she said this is not a list. Does this look like a list?
I don't know what they're calling a list under that.
I know. I looked it up in the dictionary, and this is a list. So what do you do at that point? What's that?
Contact FDLE.
That is true. I can't remember if I brought it to you as an affidavit. Is that the best way to do it, as an affidavit notarized? Because then it's like an official document. You get what I'm saying?
Because the Highway Patrol, they went.
Because you guys are above the sheriff. Could you guys charge the sheriff and enforce it?
If our Bureau of Investigations did something with it, investigated it, I don't know, but see, Florida's weird. It's not like New York State or Massachusetts where they're state police. So they have a uniform division. They have a detective.
Really?
I didn't mean detective bureau and all that. We have our own Bureau of Investigations.
Yes.
FHP does.
Yes.
But typically, FDLE is the like the state police agency as far as. Okay. That's what am I trying to say? Like if we're in an officer-involved shooting, we have a memorandum of understanding with them.
Yes.
That they come out and investigate also.
Correct.
So that's another branch.
I know, that's what I thought too. So I don't know if you heard, like there's been a ton of jail deaths here. He never had an outside investigation. Then we have this right here. This is a felony offense and $5 million fine, and they said he committed no crime, which is insane. I have the papers.
Who say he didn't commit a crime?
State Attorney and Meyer Fox investigated, and like I said, they said that it's not a list, even though it's a list. I mean, the name's there, the gun's there. Under 790, they're only supposed to, you guys are only supposed to get the gun and the serial number to see if it's hot. Then if it's hot, then you get the name. And what's really scary is during the 9-month investigation, we believe, I asked all the agencies, all the sheriffs, all the police, 70% of them wrote back and said, we can't give you the list, which means they have the list. So this has been going on for years. It's really scary. And that's why they made 790 so tough with a third-degree felony, because when they busted the police illegally profiling with this years ago, I think it was back in 1990, that's why they made it so brutally tough. Because they literally could drive down the road and that guy's got a gun, that guy's got a gun, that guy's got a gun. And in Florida, we're supposed to be the gun state, right? Kinda, right? Yeah, but apparently just because you have a gun, you're being illegally profiled. They literally say...
How are they illegally profiling?
So what they're doing is they're downloading the list, and in one of these emails it literally says, let's see if we can work a case on that.
On the person that turned the gun in?
Yeah. 99% of the people, as you know, that sell a gun and pawn a gun are not a criminal, man. Pawning is just enough. That used to be the way we used to get a loan from, because it was a wannabe bank, right? I mean, this has been going on for a long time. Huh. So yeah,
the only thing I could tell you is, if you want to
go to Fort
farther,
Myers,
is go to FDLE. Yeah,
okay, go to Fort Myers.
Yeah.
Right.
Where are you with?
Charlotte County.
No, but
Charlotte County Copwatch, actually. So I know we need cops, just not corrupt ones. I do stories on the corrupt ones, like Bill PRUMMELL. So, yeah, all right, I guess I'll go down there, because you are right. I haven't.
Because I don't know anything about it.
Right.
I don't know what they're doing.
But that would be the next step, right?
Yeah, I would call FDLE and see what they want to.
Right.
They would direct you further.
Right.
Put it that way.
I know, because I mean, now you got a Meyer Fox lying too. That's pretty sad too, right? Saying it's not a list. I mean, you saw.
I don't know. I can't speak for them.
No, I know. I'm just asking a question. So, anyways.
Yeah, but I can't agree, disagree, or anything like that, because I'm.
That's true. And are you on duty?
Yes.
You can't have an opinion while on duty either, can you? A lot of the places are like that.
I can have an opinion.
Okay, all right. You just can't say it while on duty. Anyways, you were Fairman. What's your name?
Oz.
Good to meet you, man. You have a good day.
Nice
Can I give you my card? Actually, I'm so sick of his.
You work for one of the local
Copwatch people. I'm so sick of his corruption. I'm going to run for sheriff against him, and I'm going to free the weed.
You're running for sheriff?
Yes, and I'm going to free the weed. Email address is there. The websites are there. Somebody's got to do it, right?
I don't know.
As you know, in Florida.
That's up to you. That's
no,
your
I know.
Personal.
Correct. As you know, in Florida, you don't got to be a cop, right? To run for sheriff. Did you know that? Yeah. So why not, right?
One in Broward County.
Is he really?
No, not the one now, but can't remember his name.
He wasn't a cop?
He was before Israel. There was a business owner or something.
I did not know that.
I can't remember his name.
I'll research that. All right, thanks for your time, man.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Are the pen? Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.